barf! Oh! Ew. Barf, 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 barf! So gross. The fucking bird is right there. Fucking laying eggs down here, you little witch. Stinks. Little egg. Smells like a zoo. I'm gonna get fucking bird flu. You gotta do this quick. I'm gonna freak out. Oh, I'm gonna freak out when I'm gonna step back here. Oh, crossing the threshold. Oh, God. Oh, I don't want to pull this out. I don't want to do this. I'm a fucking child baby. Alright. I'm gonna freak out if this thing comes alive or some shit. Oh, okay. Here we go. Demon! I shouldn't be breathing this in. Oh, it's worse than a spider, dude. Fuck. Okay. You coming out? I'm gonna freak the out. I'm gonna freak the out. I'm gonna freak out. I'm gonna freak out. Is there like a grabber? Do I gotta grab? I don't wanna grab. There's gotta be a grabber. Oh, I don't wanna do this. You're a whole bird in there. My ass. Oh, excuse my language. You're a whole bird. I don't want to do this. I can't pull it out. I'm gonna freak out. I'm gonna get bird flu and freak out. Is there a grabber? Can I grab it with something? Tongs. No. Tongs. Tongs. I'm gonna freak the out. What is that? Oh. Alright. It's time to be a man. Please don't squirm and I'm gonna freak out. Okay. We're going in. We're grabbing it. We're grabbing it. We're pulling. We're pulling. Please don't be alive. It's tough as I'm gonna freak out. I'm pulling too. This is stuck. Why do they do this? Ah! You're a fucking bird. Okay. Crusty, lusty. Oh! I don't want to look at it. I'm gonna look at it through the camera. Okay. Okay. Ah! Oh, okay. This thing is fucked up. How the this thing's gone. This thing is fucking toasty. Oh God. Okay, we gotta go. We gotta go. You fucking bird. Roasted. Toasted. Oh. Ew. Okay, it wasn't that bad.